Hello again. If you own a third generation Camaro convertible, you're going to recognize this piece as the armrest that goes on top of the rear seat hip panel that covers up the well where your convertible top frame will hinge down. Okay, and if you know what this is and you have one of these convertibles, you also know that these things over time tend to bend into the shape of a banana, kind of like the one that's in the oven here. Okay, see how much that one is bent? So solution is to heat your oven up to 200 degrees. I tried 170, it didn't work. 200 seems to do the trick. Leave it in there for about 10 minutes, and when you pull it out, you're going to want to use some gloves. When you pull it out, bend it and hold it in the opposite direction for at least 3 minutes. You have to wait for it to cool. Once it cools, it will cool in the, well, in this case straight, but the opposite bend of the banana that it tends to bend into. So that worked really good. This is good and stiff again. It seems to be holding, it definitely is holding its form. And then the other advice I'm going to give you is don't do this when your wife is home. At least not when my wife's home. So good luck with it.